friends. Okay. Last night after I left you guys, I went downstairs and got on the elliptical and did my cardio. I also drank 3/4 of a gallon of water. I peed all freaking night. I probably did not get 30 minutes of uninterrupted sleep last night. It was miserable, which is why I'm still in bed at whatever time it is right now. I am about to do my weigh-in, but I will tell you guys, the coolest thing happened last night. So from all of that water, I don't even know, so this is what makes me want to really get into bodybuilding and really understand the science of what's happening. I woke up this morning and my body looks so different. Like, I'm seeing muscles and veins and I am so much tighter. It is crazy. So I'm excited to show that to you guys. About to do a body update, but I talked about this yesterday. I had a breakdown. I'm over fish. I'm not and have not ever really been a fish person, and also the whole idea of prepping fish and reheating it just turns my stomach. So I'm back on 99% lean ground turkey, which I personally prefer, and I feel like my body might prefer it as well. But I'm gonna give it a couple of days to see how I adjust. This is one of those things where it could be hit or miss. I could start getting puffy, or my bathroom habits might start changing, things like that. And if that happens, you know that your body is processing whatever you're eating differently. So we're checking everything. And I know for some of you this is like, whoa, super intense. But keep in mind, my goal is to be on a bodybuilding stage at the end of the month, or at the end of the week. Jesus, month. At the end of the week. So that's where this attention to detail becomes incredibly important. But it's not a bad thing to know how your body processes things. So things like dairy. Does your body react well? How does it react? Grains, gluten, various different meats, various different salts or seasoning. Hey guys, I just now made it to my apartment gym. It's almost 7 o'clock. I've been moody and in bed, editing the first vlog and just being really a moody bitch today. And there's no really nice way to put that, and there's no need to sugarcoat it. I just have been on one today, and that happens. I mean, I'm starting to feel the effects of the depletion and the effects of peak week. So I'm gonna have to do something especially nice for my boyfriend, because he, for whatever reason, still puts up with my crazy ass, and I love him for it. But now we have a date with this hot girl. I don't even know what the hell this thing's called. I don't know, like a matrix something or another. Whatever it's called. We're about to do this for a little while, so might as well come on with me. If you're on the elliptical, good for you. If you're gonna be on the elliptical, good for you. If you're thinking about it, good for you. Look, friends, look who came to visit. It's Tanisha! And like, look how hot. Do you see these legs though? Like, she just came out with like all of the goods showing. You see this?
I'm done with you.
Like, I was feeling some kind of way, and now we have to go to the gym because, Jesus be offense. Talk about motivation, right?
Awesome.
So welcome. Hey, what's going on?
I'm swaying to the hips, boy, loving every disco. Ooh. So you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone until you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway.
So today has been one of those days that a lot of competitors don't talk about, and I searched YouTube before I kind of started this process to try to understand what this peak week really was. And a lot of competitors don't talk about the fact that you're gonna have days where you feel like complete crap, run over and hit by a bus twice, then it backed up and hit you again. And today is one of those days, and I'm so thankful for my teammate Tanisha, who came and did cardio with me because I was struggling. I spent 95% of today in the bed, and I was just in a foul mood all day. Like, nobody could say or do anything right for me today. It was just one of those days. And so it's gonna be a super short vlog because I didn't do much. You saw me quickly prepare a little dinner. I just had like a very lean turkey breast that I seasoned with garlic and pepper and onion salt, and just real quickly just cooked on the stovetop. And now we're here at Jeju trying to get a little relaxation in and get a nice body scrub. I'm getting wax later on in the week, so you wanna exfoliate before that, and then we've gotta actually tan. Yes, even the brown competitors tan. So I'm gonna take you guys along for all of that, but just wanted to kind of give you a little insight, especially for the future competitors out there. You need a support system. You need one, because the physical and mental and emotional toll that this week will take on your body, you're depleted, you're tired, you're moody, you're achy, you're everything. And without people who care about you and who are willing to give you a pass in those super bitchy moments, it makes for a really rough week. So I took this week off, and I'm so thankful that I did, because yeah, technically you could work, you know, whatever your job is, I'm assuming that you probably could work through it, but it won't be enjoyable for you and probably anybody that you interact with. This is the week of resting, and the reason for all of the rest is because you need your body to peak. That's why they call it peak week. You want to be at your very best at the end of the week. So you do only the things that you have to do, and then kind of leave the rest to God. So I hope that you guys have an incredible night. I'm gonna close the vlog out here, and we'll start fresh tomorrow. I expect that tomorrow will be much more of an exciting day with a little bit more going on, but we'll just see what this week has for us. Hope you guys have a great night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the morning.